Retro cameras combine classic design with modern features, appealing to photography enthusiasts who value both aesthetics and functionality. These cameras offer a nostalgic charm while delivering high-quality images, making them ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best retro cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Nikon Z Fc combines vintage aesthetics with modern performance, making it an ideal choice for beginners and enthusiasts drawn to retro-inspired designs. Featuring a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, this mirrorless camera delivers crisp, detailed images and vibrant colors. Its Z-mount system ensures compatibility with Nikon's excellent lens lineup, while third-party vintage-style lenses add even more charm for those seeking a nostalgic touch. The ZFC's standout feature is its tactile dial-based controls, reminiscent of classic film cameras. Adjusting shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation feels intuitive and satisfying, offering an engaging, hands-on photography experience. The 3-inch vari-angle touch screen enhances versatility, allowing easy focus adjustments and effortless framing, particularly for vlogs or selfies. The 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder offers a clear, immersive preview of your shots, ensuring accuracy. This retro marvel doesn't compromise on modern capabilities, boasting an 11 FPS continuous shooting speed and impressive 4K UHD video recording at 30p. Its compact design and lightweight build make it a perfect travel companion, while the 4K video features cater to budding videographers. The OM system. Olympus OM5 combines retro aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, offering an ideal camera for outdoor enthusiasts and photographers seeking versatility and durability. Its sleek black design houses a powerful 20-megapixel 4x3 live MOS sensor, capturing crisp and vibrant images even in challenging conditions. The camera's weather-sealed IP53 construction ensures protection against dust, water splashes, and freezing temperatures down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for rugged adventures. The 5-axis image stabilization enhances handheld shooting by minimizing blur, while the 50-megapixel handheld high-res shot allows you to capture ultra-detailed images without needing a tripod. Its advanced computational photography features, including live ND, focus stacking, and HDR shooting, expand creative possibilities for stills and videos. Equipped with cross-quad pixel AF, the OM5 offers a sophisticated 1053-point all-cross-type autofocus system for pinpoint accuracy, even in fast-paced scenes. Whether shooting wildlife, landscapes, or portraits, this system ensures sharp focus and high-quality results. Compact and lightweight, the OM5 is highly portable without sacrificing functionality. Its retro-inspired design appeals to photographers who value both style and substance, while the cutting-edge technology meets the demands of modern photography. The Fujifilm X106 redefines retro compact photography with cutting-edge technology in a classic design. Featuring a 40.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and a fixed 23mm f2 lens, this camera balances style and substance effortlessly. Its compact range finder-inspired body conceals a powerful hybrid OV-FEVF viewfinder with 3,690K dots, delivering precision framing for every shot. The 3-inch tilting screen with 1,620,000 dots ensures easy composition from creative angles. What sets the X106 apart is its enhanced in-body image stabilization, ensuring sharp handheld shots even in low light. Autofocus improvements deliver speed and accuracy, capturing fleeting moments at up to 11 frames per second. Videographers will appreciate its stunning 6K 30p video capabilities, making this a versatile tool for both stills and motion. The camera's retro allure extends to its tactile dial controls and beloved film simulations. These customizable recipes emulate analog film, adding a unique artistic touch to your photography. Optional lens converters further expand its versatility, letting you explore varied perspectives. Despite its premium price tag, the X106 offers exceptional image quality straight out of the camera, making it a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Nikon Zf is a love letter to film camera enthusiasts, blending retro aesthetics with modern full-frame performance. Drawing inspiration from the iconic Nikon FM2 of 1982, its brass dials, weighty feel, and robust build immediately evoke a sense of nostalgia. The 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor paired with the cutting-edge Speed 7 processor delivers exceptional image quality, rivaling Nikon's Z6 Mark III. Photographers will appreciate the Zf's improved autofocus system, excelling in subject tracking for both stills and video. The 14 FPS burst speed and 4K 60p video recording ensure it's equipped to handle action-packed scenarios. Its 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen is bright and versatile, while the 3690 K-dot EVF provides a sharp, detailed view for composition. However, the design's charm comes with compromises. The minimal grip can be uncomfortable for extended use, and the lack of native vintage-style lenses for the Z mount detracts slightly from its old-school appeal. While adapters can bridge this gap with classic Nikon lenses, the aesthetic mismatch may not satisfy purists. Despite these drawbacks, the Nikon Zf is an outstanding camera, delivering stellar image quality and robust video capabilities in a body that turns heads. The Fujifilm X-T5 combines retro design with modern technology, making it the best overall retro-style camera for enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring a 40.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, this powerhouse rivals full-frame cameras with exceptional image quality. The physical dials for shutter speed and ISO on its magnesium alloy body evoke a classic film-era feel, yet inside it delivers cutting-edge performance. This camera excels in both photography and videography. It captures stunning 6.2K video at 30p with 10-bit 4x2x2 color depth for vivid cinematic footage, albeit with a slight crop. The built-in 5-axis image stabilization ensures smooth shooting, even in challenging conditions, while the tilting 3-inch touchscreen simplifies composing shots from tricky angles. Its EVF boasts an impressive 3.69 million dot resolution, providing a sharp, clear view for precise framing. With a rapid shooting speed of up to 15 FPS, the X-T5 is perfect for fast-moving subjects, while the lightweight, compact design ensures comfort during long sessions. Whether you're a landscape photographer or a street photography enthusiast, the X-T5's capabilities shine in every scenario. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.